Assalamu alaikum. This time I have a Dell laptop that displays a test screen like this, and sometimes it is just stuck on Dell logo. There is a blinking code on the charging LED. Let's count the blinks. As you can see, there are 3 amber blinks then 6 white. According to the Dell blinking table, this code refers to a BIOS issue. Here is the laptop model number. It is a Dell Precision 5550. Before moving on, I want to show you something. If I remove the RAM modules and turn on the laptop, you will notice that the laptop is still stuck on the logo, even without any RAM installed. But the blinking code has been changed for sure. The code now is 2 amber blinks then 3 white, and this means a RAM issue. This is how our laptop looks from inside. First thing, I have to disconnect the battery. It is very important. I cannot recognize the BIOS chip from here. I think it is on the other side of the board, so I have to remove everything and take out the motherboard. Here is the motherboard number. It is also printed on the other side. And this is our BIOS chip. It is from Giga Device, 256 megabits or 32 megabytes, WSON8 8x6 package. I always take a clear image for the BIOS chip and the components around it before desoldering it. If you need more details on how to deal with this type of chips, you can just watch my other video. Let's connect the programmer to my laptop and read the file from that chip. Remember to choose Verify IC after that. It is very important. The verification is okay, so I can save the file. Now I will open the new file I made. If you want to know how I rebuild the BIOS file, you can check the Dell playlist on my YouTube channel. There you will find many videos on how to fix your Dell BIOS file. Make sure these 5 options are selected, then press Write IC. It is done. Now I need to solder back the chip on the motherboard. The soldering looks fine, and comparing with my previous image, there is no any missing component. Let's assemble the laptop and test it on the battery. I can see the Dell logo, but actually this doesn't mean anything in our case. I am hoping to enter the BIOS setup by pressing F2. Oops, we still have the same blinking code, 3 amber and 6 white. I'm sure from what I did, perhaps the device needs the adapter in order to communicate with the new BIOS. Unfortunately, I don't have the proper adapter for this laptop. I only have 65 watt adapter, so I will ask the customer to send his adapter. Okay, I got the proper adapter. Let's try the laptop now. Bismillah. This is a genuine 130 watt Type-C Dell adapter. I think the laptop will work fine on it. Manufacturing mode active. Alhamdulillah, it is no longer stuck on the Dell logo. Also, there is no blinking on the charging LED. Here is the model number. The surface tag is empty, but I will fill it. After inserting the surface tag, the fans are still spinning at maximum speed because the manufacturing mode is active. I need to press Alt plus F to exit manufacturing mode. Now the fans are spinning quietly. The hard drive is not installed. I will connect the NVMe. Now it is booting into Windows. I hope you learned something useful from this video. We'll see you soon, inshallah, in another one. Assalamu alaikum.